Well, hello and welcome to day 15 of Miniature Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be making a mistletoe. I'm going to begin by making the leaves out of card. So I've cut a piece of card, I've grabbed some colouring pencils and I've picked out all of the green ones in different shades. I'm going to begin by colouring in the card with all my different shades of green, mixing them together, and I'm going to do this on both sides. Next, I want to add a shine to my leaves, so I'm using Mod Podge. This is similar to PVA glue, it's just a gloss that will give a bit of a shine to my leaves. Once that is dried, I'm cutting out 1-inch strips and folding them in half like so. Using a pencil, I'm drawing some thin long leaf shapes. I'm just drawing as many as I can fit into one piece of paper. I'm going to use my scissors to cut out one of the leaves and I will show you how it looks once I unfold it. So here we have what our leaves will look like, and I'm going to carry on cutting out as many as I can until my paper has finished. For the stems of my mistletoe, I have cut out 2-inch pieces of black wire and I've painted it brown. Using tweezers, because this is fiddly, I'm adding leaves all the way down my stems. Some I'm adding 3, some I'm adding 5 leaves, some I'm adding 4 leaves, like so. Once that's done, I'm going to turn over the stems and repeat the same on the back. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to grab all of my stems and bunch them together, and to keep them tightly packed, I'm going to just twist the wire. Now to add a bit of Christmas decoration, I'm using my gold ribbon that I used yesterday, and I'm going to tie a bow around the front of my mistletoe. The final piece to do now is to add some white berries onto my mistletoe. So again, with my tweezers, I'm just using glue and placing them randomly. And yeah, this is my finished mistletoe made out of paper. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye!